Hi there. Thank you very much for registering and attending today's webinar, which is Sage for Accountants, Getting Started. In today's session, you'll learn how to sign up and start using Sage for Accountants. My name's Mark Jones. I'm a member of the Learning and Development team here at Sage, and I'll be taking you through today's session. It should take about 20 minutes, and today's session is aimed at accountants and bookkeepers that aren't currently using Partner Edition and are wanting to start using Sage for Accountants from scratch. So we'll look at how to sign up, sign on, and get started. So just a bit of housekeeping. Everybody's lines have been automatically muted. That's just to stop any background noise or interference that can sometimes happen in this type of webinar. That doesn't mean to say you can't interact with me. You can ask questions just by clicking on the question mark and submit your questions in the Q&A panel in your GoToWebinar question panel. Now, I sometimes have a panelist with me. I'm on my own today, so I will try to keep an eye on the questions as we go through, but if I miss any, I'll look at those in depth at the end of today's session. And I have uploaded a PDF of today's slides that you can download and use whatever you want with regards to the phone numbers or any other information in today's webinar. So today's agenda, we're going to look at what is Sage for Accountants, how to sign up and log in, your practice subscriptions. We'll have a look at the product tour, which takes you through everything you need to get started, and that includes adding clients. So what is Sage for Accountants? Sage for Accountants is our unique proposition for accountants. No one else is meeting end-to-end needs of accountants from proposal through to advisory. You can win and onboard new clients, and Sage for Accountants provides a unique workflow for accountants, bookkeepers, and your clients in a single experience. Everything you need for your practice and MTD under one roof. It's a truly connected experience built around the way that you work that unifies and digitizes the tools that you use across your practice. This creates a vibrant ecosystem of Sage and partner apps to enable winning and onboarding clients, data automation, bookkeeping, payroll and compliance solutions and advisory services. And Sage enables you to transform how you win, onboard and engage with your clients. You can price competitively and manage the efficiency and profitability of your practice, and you can create professional proposals in real time. And you'll be able to generate sophisticated engagement letters with the only solution in the market that automates the pricing, proposal, and engagement process. You'll be able to manage your clients and tasks all in one place, and you can work in harmony with your clients using the client management tool. It's a single searchable list of all clients grouped by relationship to allow a transparent view of jobs and compliance assignments. You can instantly access your fully integrated live client data, and you can easily invite and manage users by setting permissions for secure data access. You can self-serve client subscriptions with full control. So it's the only solution with folder-based hierarchy that allows grouping of connected clients and entities. You can get your clients to keep digital records, take control of making tax digital with the only fully integrated workflow from data capture, bookkeeping, payroll, HR, tax, and compliance all in one place. You can easily select and set up the tools you and your clients need. And it's the only solution that covers full data automation through to compliance with one fully integrated flow. And we support you to advise clients with confidence to drive their success through powerful multi-dimensional smart reporting tools. And you can easily share and collaborate with clients using easy to understand insights. So let's now look how to actually sign up for Sage for Accountants. We start with how to sign up for Sage for Accountants. Step 1 is set up your account. Enter your first name, last name, email address, and choose which statement represents you best. Then click Continue to Practice. Step 2, enter your practice's name and preferred telephone number. Then enter the number of employees in the practice, scroll down and enter your address. Then specify if it is the same as your billing address and click Continue to Payment Setup. Step 3, open up and read the terms and conditions. If you are happy, click Accept. Please note, Sage does not charge you until you add your first client subscription. Choose between credit or debit card or direct debit. Based on your payment method, the software presents you with different fields. For demonstration purposes, we will choose credit or debit card. Enter all the relevant details and click Continue. You are now one step away from accessing Sage for Accountants. On the next window, your email address, first and last name pre-populate. All you need to do is set up and confirm a password for your Sage account and click Sign Up. Sage prompts you to verify your email address, enter the code and click Continue. You are now in Sage for Accountants. So once you've signed up and logged in, you'll land on this welcome page, which is your client list, and you can toggle the full tour and the client management tour on and off very easily. Just by clicking the X, we'll toggle it off. And if you want to come back to the product tour, just click View Product Tour. And this product tour takes you through all the steps to get started. If you start the full tour, you can see here you've got the new look and feel for Sage for Accountants, and you've got the ability to book an appointment, a one-to-one appointment with an enablement specialist. Here's a little bit about our new branding, and you can download the new brand collateral here, and it opens in a new window if you want to use our logo on your website, if you're using a portal for your clients to use to access their Sage Business Cloud. Next screen, we've got Drive Your Business Growth with our new 4-step practice success plan. Because Sage for Accountants gives you access to 4 hours of on-demand masterclasses as part of your membership that help you build your practice success plan. And you can start that process by clicking Start Your First Masterclass today. We're actually on the 3rd season of masterclasses, and you can discover how to create a sustainable, resilient business that can withstand uncertain times. Then there's a little bit of information about rewards and amassing Sage points, because when you actually take out client subscriptions, you unlock discounts and rewards, increasing the value of your Sage experience for both you and your clients. And also there's a brief description here of your free software for your practice. You have client management, Sage Accounting Plus, and Sage Payroll, and these features are accessible on the top left of your navigation bar. So up here on the top left, under Client Management, you'll be able to access your Accounting Plus and Payroll for your own practice use. Then we're into the Client Management Tour. So this takes you through all the steps you need to get up and running. So number 1 is adding a client. So this is your client list. Select Add Client in the top right to add clients and create client folders. You can add clients individually or import multiple clients in one go. And if you are importing, you can save time by uploading directly from a spreadsheet file And if you click on this link, it'll give you further information as well as the spreadsheet. Then we give you an introduction to folders. So folders let you group related clients together. And in this example, we show you that you've got Cresset Cakes, which we've got as an organization, and Mark Anderson, a client that you do work for, who is also linked to the organization itself. To add clients, you add clients that you do work for. You can have different client types in different folders. You can have organizations like companies or charities, or individuals such as directors. When adding basic details, fill in any details marked with an asterisk before saving your client. We name the folder for you, and you can change this later, and you can also update their contact information and include multiple addresses. If your new client has compliance details, you can add them in here, and we'll use these details to check their records with the HMRC or another country's tax regulator. Once you've added your client, you'll be taken to the client record. You can then add or edit this client's details and the details of other organizations and individuals in the same folder, or you can simply go straight back to the client list if you do not need to do anything or edit anything. Step 2 is your client list. So in the client list, you can view an alphabetical list of your clients or view them within their folders. And you can also search through your current clients, add filters, and narrow down the search that way. You can group linked organizations and individuals by including them in the same folder. For example, you may do work for an organization and also do work for a linked individual, and these would count as two separate clients. You can select any organization or individual from the client list to view their details. And in the Actions menu, you can edit clients' details, you can hide any organizations or individuals, and hide the folder itself. To show them again, check the box marked Include Hidden Clients in this list. You can also edit tags from the Actions menu. Then the third section is the client record. So the client record shows you all of the LinkedIn organizations and individuals included in the same folder. You can rename the folder or delete it, but by deleting the folder, you'll also delete all of the folder's contents. You can easily switch between clients within the same client folder or add new clients to the folder to keep related clients together. And here you'll find an organization or an individual's details such as names, addresses, contact details, national insurance numbers, and more. You can edit these details or delete the organization or individual entirely. Subscriptions and reports. You can view and manage your client subscriptions and view any reports they may have. And comments. You can add comments or edit them to update a colleague or leave reminders for yourself. And when you're ready, you can go back to the client record, just click on Go Back to Your Client List. Then section 4, Opening Subscriptions. You can open any of your client subscriptions from the client list. Alternatively, you can open any of your client subscriptions from your client record. Any subscriptions you choose from the client list or record will open in another tab in your browser. And lastly, managing subscriptions. So a subscription is when you've taken out a product on a client's behalf, for example, accounting or payroll. To add a subscription, select an item from the list on the subscriptions page. We'll then calculate the monthly total for any subscriptions you add, including discounts. If you're adding a payroll subscription, choose the product from the list of payroll product tiers. you'll need to apply the changes on the next page to confirm your new subscription. To upgrade a subscription that's already been added, just select a higher tier from the list. The monthly total will automatically update the new price. Or to cancel an existing subscription, select the cancel button. The monthly total will automatically update minus the price of this subscription. And Sage Points. Adding subscriptions earns you Sage Points, which unlocks discounts to subscriptions, and the more subscriptions you add for your client, the higher the discount you'll earn. So that's the client management tour that takes you through everything that you need to get up and running and get started with Sage for Accountants. So now I'll just go back to my last few slides. So Sage Membership. Sage Membership unlocks award-winning software, expert human advice, and a community dedicated to support your practice. Clients can become a Sage member too, receiving expert human advice and tools that go beyond the software. As members of Sage, you have the opportunity to unlock membership for your clients when collaborating through accounting or payroll, so they can belong to a community where they can network, get advice, and grow their skills. Sage membership helps your practice and small business flow. One of the key benefits of Sage membership is the Membership Masterclass. It's a 4-step practice success plan, and it's at the heart of the series of masterclass sessions. It's been designed not as a one-size-fits-all approach, but as a series of logical progressions that provide a framework to develop something specifically for you. Through Sage for Accountants, this gives you access to 4 hours of on-demand CPD-approved masterclasses that help you build your practice success plan. You gain accreditations for each course, and you can use your plan to meet your goals, from winning new clients and engaging existing ones to mastering MTD for ITSA. It recognizes that your firm is unique and that your clients cover a spectrum of abilities and attitudes towards their financial administration. It allows you to work collaboratively on your approach, both internally and with the support you may need from us to make sure that MTD ITSA is something that you are in control of. As you go through the steps of plan and prepare, practice readiness, client readiness, deliver and succeed, it's important to us for you to feel that we have the expert human advice and support you can count on to ensure you deliver your plan and succeed. You can also tap into talks and articles for the best business advice on everything from managing money to people beyond the software. You can access free learning resources and certifications for your practice and your clients, and also share knowledge and gain insights through a community of industry peers. So before I look at the questions, if there are any, I just want to check out that you've got all the support that you could need. So our support, we cover every channel that's available. So if you do need web chat, you've got digital help by clicking on help anywhere you are in the software. And also there are help files in each page of the software that will give you help specifically for that particular page that you are on. If you do have any queries regarding your account, you can speak to your Practice Success Manager on 0191 479 5999. And if you would like to speak to a person rather than using the online support feature, you can speak to a technician 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, again by calling 0191 479 5999. Great, so I'm now going to just take the opportunity to check out if there are any questions. There's no questions in my Q&A panel at the moment. Hopefully that's because it's been self-explanatory and you've found it useful. So we'll move straight on to the last couple of slides. So next in the series of webinars for Sage for Accountants, we've got managed subscriptions. This shows and looks at how to add contact clients and subscriptions for accounting, payroll, compliance for business. And we've also got a What's New webinar, which helps you get the most out of new developments and enhancements, such as learning how to add tags, comments, custom roles, and more. So thanks very much for your attention today. Hopefully I'll speak to you again when I host the next in our series of webinars for Sage for Accountants. Thanks for watching.